Are you ready to start publishing your video content to YouTube? Let's walk through each step so that your video looks great and attracts viewers. First, let's get your video up on your channel. See this red Create button? Click it and drag your MP4 video file that you downloaded from us right onto the arrow, or use the Select Files to navigate to your video. Click Open and it automatically starts to upload. Make sure you give it an interesting title, something that will make people want to watch it. And be sure to add a description with some good SEO keywords so that you come up in search. You can even publish your script in the description. We recommend making some changes so it's not word for word the same as your video. Next, don't rely on YouTube picking your thumbnail for you. Never a good idea. Use one of the thumbnails we send you, the one without the play button, to upload here. To unlock this feature, you first have to verify your channel. Enter your phone number associated with your YouTube account, and they'll send you a code. Enter the code from your phone and hit Submit. Refresh your page, and now you can upload custom thumbnails for your videos. When you upload, YouTube offers you the option to add your video to a playlist. Why do you want to do that, you ask? We have a whole blog post showing you creative ways to use playlists. Find the link in the description. Now, you might not have any playlist created yet. To do that, click here, add a title for your playlist, and hit Create. And then you simply check the box for the playlist you want. A few more boxes to check. Choose your language here for the video. Leave caption certificate at None. Recording date and location, I leave this as None. License, keep at standard YouTube license. Next, you can allow embedding or publishing on subscription feeds. Uncheck Allow people to sample this content. Compliance will thank you. Then choose your category. This helps in search. Education is probably your best bet. Maybe how to and style fits as well. Attention! Disable comments. Save yourself tons of time and watch our Optimize Your YouTube Channel video, where we show you how to disable comments on a global scale so you never have to worry about this box going unchecked again. Hit Next. Now let's talk captions. If you have captions already burned into your video, you can skip over the Add Subtitles element. However, if you have content that does not have captions already burned in, you have two other options. Let YouTube AI create captions, or manually add them in. If you have an SRT sidecar file, you can upload that here. Choose Upload File, select the With Timing radio button, and click Continue. Find your SRT file and upload. You can check the timing by watching the video and sliding the captions around if they are out of sync. Next, you can add an end screen. This allows you to promo another video and adds a subscribe button for your channel. You can change where these pop-ups appear by dragging the element on the timeline so it doesn't cover the video and comes up with the ending card. Click Save. Add cards, we're going to ignore that one for now. The next screen is going to do a copyright check. Occasionally you will see a Content ID claim. This is not a copyright flag. It typically means if you want to monetize your channel, some of that money is going to go to the music artist. Now you're ready to make your video live. You can choose private, unlisted, or public. I like to choose unlisted so I can view the video on YouTube one last time just to make sure it all looks good before sharing it with the world. Once it's published and you're happy, navigate here and choose Public. Copy and paste this link to share on your website or email. Congratulations! You are now ready to leverage the second most popular search engine in the world.